This is the plaintiff, J. Mandel. He says the defendant backed her car directly into his in a parking lot, and she refuses to pay him for the damages she caused. No one wants to take responsibility for their actions today, and it's a real shame he has to take time from his busy day to bring her to court to get his money. But hey, it is what it is. He's suing for $1,235.12. These are the defendants, Lauren O'Donnell and Nathaniel Burkhardt. Lauren says she looked behind her before backing out of her parking spot at the beach, and all was clear. Then, out of nowhere, the plaintiff must have backed up as she was backing out. She was livid because the collision was 100% his fault. She has a police report, and she's not paying the careless plaintiff a penny. They're accused of a backup smack-up.
All parties, please raise your right hands.
Welcome back to the People's Court. Next case on the docket. The plaintiff says the defendant backed her car into his in a parking lot, but the defendant says the plaintiff shot out of nowhere, so it's his fault. It's the case of you've got a parking lot of nerve.
Okay, Jay Mandel, you are suing Lauren O'Donnell and Nathaniel Burkhardt for $1,235 that you say it's going to cost to fix your car, which you say was damaged at their negligence. Tell me what happened.
Well, Saturday on July 25th of this year, my wife and I went into the parking lot at Point Pleasant Beach, waiting for a parking spot. It was all backed up. There was cars in front of me, behind me.
Come on up to the sketch here, and that way I'll understand exactly what you're saying visually.
Well, we entered into the parking lot, and there were cars all in front, all backed up. Cars were filled in all the parking spots.
Okay.
I had a car in front of me, a car behind me. Then a family.
Take the other car that's there and show me what happened.
A family of four came this way, cars following them with direction signal. They came, walked around, and got into their car. My car was approximately like that. Nobody could move.
All right, so they walk around your car, get in their car?
Got in their car.
And?
We were still waiting for traffic to move. The next thing, we got banged in the car.
Show me how it happened.
They backed out, hit there. When I saw my side view mirror, by that time they pulled back in. I put the car in park, asked my wife if she was okay. I got out. Defendant Lauren O'Donnell got out, said, sorry, I didn't see your car. Made sure everybody was okay. There was damage to my back fender, which was pulled out and broken.
Do you have a
tail
picture?
light.
Do you have a picture?
Yes, several pictures.
And some estimates for me to look at?
Yes.
Hand them forward. What happened?
The parking lot was a madhouse. It was like it was dead stop. There was kids, cars everywhere. We were leaving. We went to the aquarium with our children.
Pictures.
When I went to pull out, I looked. I didn't see anybody. I did. I looked everywhere. I didn't see anybody. And when I backed out, next thing I knew I heard a collision, an impact.
Well, it was obviously there. We have a saying in Spanish, like golpe avisa, which means, you'll know you've gone too far when you hear the crunch, like when you actually hear the hit. So,
I mean, I honestly just didn't see him. I looked. I don't know if he was in a blind spot or if perhaps he moved back. I don't really know what happened because I thought I was clear. I wouldn't just go backing into him if I knew he was there. That's absurd. I just didn't see him there.
All right. So what's your defense?
I didn't see. He was not there. I don't know what he was doing in his
you have a better
vehicle.
defense in your pocket? You're raising your hand. Were you in the car?
Actually, I do, Your Honor.
Were you in the car?
No. I was outside the car.
Yes. Okay. Wait, you were outside?
I was outside. Where you see the two cars, back bumpers, I was actually standing out, stopping traffic.
Oh!
I saw everything.
So does she have any argument at all about she's backing up and all of a sudden he darts at her?
Absolutely not. You're supposed to keep looking as you back out. Like, you're not supposed to just look once and then back out. Who does that?
Okay, that's actually an interesting point. You're nodding no to that.
Women drivers. That's all that.
Oh, God, okay. So he got it right. Okay. Kidding. Going inside the courtroom.
So you're back there, stop. You're going, come. Oh, no. Crash. Stop. Is that what happened?
At some point, I was going stop. That's correct. Yes. But I don't know if I was stopping the cars this way.
You're standing where in relation to the man's car?
Would you like me to show?
Yes, I do.
This is our car.
Uh-huh.
This is theirs. I was standing here.
Well, his car can't be where you put it because then you wouldn't have hit it. So put his car where it was hit.
It was hit probably closer.
Okay, so all right.
But when I first walked out, the car was. I believe he may have been backing up.
Oh, you think he backed up?
Yeah.
Was there a car behind him?
No, I was here blocking off traffic. I don't. Maybe he was too close to the car in front of him.
Did you see him back up?
No, I didn't. But
Okay.
I seen the brake lights come on. So at some point the car was moving and stopped. By the time I turned around, she was already moving. I didn't get a chance to tell her to back up yet.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but that's
So she can't
that's what I
pin
saw.
this one on you.
No, I'm completely innocent in everything.
Okay, got it. Did you see him or no?
No, we were facing
Yeah.
forward, waiting for traffic to move,
Yeah.
with my foot on the brake.
Okay, so what's your defense?
What I'm saying is, obviously she wouldn't purposely drive into
Oh,
a
no,
car.
heavens no. This isn't like a scolding. I'm just saying, what's your defense to paying the damage to his car? Why shouldn't you?
I believe he was backing up because the brake lights were not on, then they were on.
Except for that you said that you had to stop traffic, right?
Yes.
Okay, and that is because there is a steady flow of traffic, so it
was a
needs doing.
madhouse.
So that means there's a car in front of him, right?
Yeah, I'm assuming, yeah.
So were you backing up to take that space because you saw her walk into the car?
Actually, no, there was a car coming that was following them through the parking lot with a signal on.
Oh,
I
that's
couldn't
what you had
I
said
couldn't
that I
even
missed earlier.
possibly back up.
So wait a minute, there was a car following them with a signal, like that's my person, right? That's my guy, I've been following them for, like, what is that? Either you're in a position to take the space or I'm in a position to take the space. I don't know. Let me see the damage. Here. If you got a guy who's out there trying to stop traffic and tell you when it's clear, why don't you wait till the guy tells you?
I thought I saw an opportunity to go.
If you were backing up in order to get this parking space, do you feel like you would be responsible for the accident?
If I was backing up, it would certainly be partially, but my foot
Well, no,
was-
if you pop out of nowhere because you're backing up, how would she ever be? Like, in other words, she looks, it's clear, and then all of a sudden some person's backing up, which is not the natural progression of a car. It's not like, how would that be her fault if you come out of nowhere backing up? Neither one of you can testify, and you're standing right there, that he was backing up. You got this thing you're telling me about the light was on and then the light was off. You're standing out just trying to stop the flow of traffic, and the flow of traffic's over here. You're not looking at a light over here. So I don't know that you can really testify that the guy was backing up. I'm ruling in favor of the plaintiff in this case. $1,039.54, verdict for the plaintiff. Good luck, folks.
Well, that's why they call it an accident. Here, step up a little bit. You didn't see him.
I didn't see him.
Any comments on this outcome now?
I'm just happy it's over.
What about your cohort over here directing traffic into into cars into each other here?
I didn't wait for him to tell me to do anything.
What help is he? What good is he?
He's no good, man. No good.
All right.
Thank you.
All right, so you win your case. What do you have to say about this here?
Oh, I'm very happy the judge decided in my favor.
What a crazy situation in this parking lot here with all the way you describe it. It seems like chaos.
Yeah, it was chaos. I was just trying to wait patiently, and things happen.
Was it a nice night? You saw the band, right? What band did you see? With
Brian Kirk and the Jerks. Excellent band.
Was it worth it?
It sure was.
All right. Harvey?
Okay, Kurt, look, there are certain, truisms in the law. And if you don't have the right of way, you have to make it your business to make sure that you can pull back, you can move forward, you can do whatever you're doing, that you do it safely without hitting anybody. If you hit somebody and you don't have the right of way and they do, all of these excuses, they're going too fast, they came out of nowhere, they will do you no good, you will lose in court.